Hi guys, a massive welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a lifestyle content. Basically, I'm going to be braiding my own hair. So I'll be using the Super Braid hair, which is in color 10 and Expression in color 2. So I cut the braids into 3 equal parts, and then literally I take each part and then I start pulling the tips of it just so my braids look at the end of the day. Yes, so I did this to all the braids I had cut into 3 parts, and I did it to this one, which is the Expression color 2, and then I moved on to the other braid I used in color 10. So you take your time to do it. Actually, it was my first time doing my hair myself, and I can tell you it is a process that takes so much of your time. Also, the other thing is that you need to be patient, and there's so much of the hair going to fall on the floor, but you just pick it and add it to it, and then you continue. No pressure, it's just your own hair. So yeah, so after I'd done that, I mixed both hairs together just to get a perfect blend. This is a lot of time, I should just warn you, and also you'd have so much of the hair on the floor. But just as I mentioned before, pick it up, add it to it, and start mixing. After you get the color blend you want, you then go on to just tie them together and then move on to the next hair and you mix them up. So these were the hairs I had blended the day before, and I just braided my hair the next day. So my hair is actually stretched, and I used threading to do that. I threaded my hair 3 days before I braided, so it was easy for me to just part it. So the parting part, you need to really take time. You need a tail comb, and then you need some rubber bands, and then a mirror behind you and in front of you to just help you. If you can't do this, you can ask for help. Honestly, I did ask for help when it was the back of my hair. It took some time, but I did ask for help. And then I sectioned the hair. I used a rubber band to just secure the base, so it was easy for me to start braiding. So you can see in this video, there are rubber bands that were at the base just to secure the hair. I then started braiding, and when it comes to braiding, you need to decide on the size you want, and the size also determines how you part your hair. So guys, remember this part is very, very important. I started braiding the hair that I had sectioned and secured with rubber bands, little tiny rubber bands, and I braided the whole hair. It took so much time, I can tell you this. It wasn't like an easy thing. It took so much time, but guys, I did it anyway. So let's go and watch how I achieved the look I achieved till the end. Don't move so you don't miss anything. So once I was done, I used the scissors to cut a bit of the hair, but it was really difficult for me to get all the parts of my hair. So I went with a candle, because in some salons you would find them using fire. So this is how I did this part, with a candle. You guys need to be very careful when you're doing this part. And the thing is that don't let it touch where your hair ends, just the base where there's no hair in, where you don't have any of your raw hair in. Sorry guys. Yes, so you do this to each single braid you have. And once I was done, what I did was to dip the whole hair in hot water. I couldn't film this because I needed so much time and attention so I don't get bent, because I've been bent in a salon before and I'm so scared of this part. So basically the hot water just makes the braids just relax, because once they are done, usually you can see in this video, it's just quite like standing and hard, and it's not nice. So once you put it in hot water, it just makes the braids so like relaxed and very, very nice. So we'll move on to so that you guys can see. So this was after I'd put it in the hot water. Then it was a bit easy and soft and relaxed, and I loved it. So this is the finished product, guys. Let me know what you think of my braids. If you like it, please let me know if you've done it before. I would love to hear how you did yours, and please share. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and there's gonna be more content coming for you. This, as I mentioned from the start, is my first lifestyle video and I'm super excited about it. So guys, tell me what you think, and bye.